Good morning, students. You are most welcome to the language class. After a long vacation, this is our first class, and we are starting our chapter with chapter 9 adverbs. Adverbs tell us more about verbs. See how in these sentences given below. Ducks swim, ducks swim gracefully. So, how the ducks swim? Gracefully. Ducks swim. Ducks swim in the pond. Ducks swim where? Where does the duck swim? In the pond. Ducks swim. Ducks swim the whole day. When the ducks swim? Ducks swim the whole day. Ducks swim. Ducks often swim with their babies. Swim how many times? Often. So, here the words gracefully, in the pond, whole day, these are showing some meaning, giving some meaning to the verb. The main verb is swim. The main verb is swim. Gracefully, that means very nicely, very beautifully. In the pond, where the ducks are swimming? In the pond, it is showing the place. How means it is showing the manner. In which manner they are swimming. Where they are swimming? In the pond. So it is showing a place. And when swimming? Whole day. How many times? Often. Often means that happens in a regular interval or in some after some time, these things. So this is called frequency. Okay. In our last class we have read about adverb about manner, then the time. Gracefully is the manner, pond is the place. Adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, and adverb of frequency. Okay, now underline what more is added to the meaning of the verbs in the sentence below. Raju spoke softly at the meeting. So, here the question will be how Raju spoke at the meeting. It will be softly. How does Raju spoke at the meeting? Softly. Mini and Seema are walking on the road. Where are Mini and Seema walking? Mini and Seema are walking on the road. So, on the road is the adverb. An adverb of place. My parents are coming back at 8 o'clock. When his parents are coming back? At 8 o'clock. So, at 8 o'clock is a time. So, it is adverb of time. I usually visit my grandparents alone. How often he visits? Usually. That means whenever he was alone, whenever he goes to his grandparents, he goes alone. So usually is the adverb of frequency. So an adverb adds something more to the meaning of a verb. Types of adverb. There are 4 types of adverb. Adverb of manner, that shows how an action is done. Adverb of place, where an action is done. Adverb of time, when an action is done. Adverb of frequency, how many times an action is done. Look at the adverb in these examples. See, the ice cream melts quickly. How does the ice cream melts? Quickly. We are getting the answer quickly. Adverb of manner. The computer works silently. Yes, computer never makes any sound, so it works silently. How does the computer work? Computer works silently. The cheetah runs fast. How does the cheetah run? Cheetah runs fast. The moon rose slowly up in the sky. How the moon rose up in the sky? Slowly. So these quickly, silently, fast, slowly, these are adverb of manner. The adverb which tells us how an action is done are called adverb of manners. Okay? Notice the adverb in the sentence given below. The children are playing in the park. Where the children are playing? In the park. We are getting the answer in the park. So it is showing the place. The park is a place. The children are playing downstairs. Where the children are playing? Where are the children playing? They are playing downstairs. It is also showing a place. We live here. Where do you live? We live here. Here, it is showing the adverb of place. We live on this island. Where we live? Where do we live? We live on this island. On this island is showing the place. So, the adverbs that talk about where an action is done are called adverbs of place. So next, now notice the adverbs in the sentence. I will come in the evening. When he will come? In the evening. I will come at 7 o'clock. When? 7 o'clock. At 7 o'clock. They will come tomorrow. When they will come? Tomorrow. I will be home before they come. When you will be at home? Before they come, before. So all these things are telling a time. Okay, evening, 7 o'clock, tomorrow, before, all these things are telling about time. Adverbs. The adverbs used to talk about when an action is done are called adverbs of time. Okay? Next, it rains often in Sri Lanka. It rains often in Sri Lanka. How many times it rains in Sri Lanka? Often. But it never snows there. So, how many times it snows there? Never. That means no, never. In many parts of Nepal, it snows repeatedly in winters. How many times? It is telling repeatedly. In some parts of India, it rains sometimes, while at other times it snows. So how often or how many times? Sometimes. The adverbs that tell us how many times something happens or does not happen are called adverb of frequency. So the adverbs that shows how many times it happens or not happens, it is called the adverb of frequency. Here is a chart. See the table below. We can ask these questions to get the 4 types of adverbs. How? How to ask about the way something is done. Swiftly, slowly, lazily, clearly, all these are adverb of manner. When we are asking about where, in the park, downstairs, here, on the island, these are adverbs of place. When? In the evening, at 7 o'clock, tomorrow, before. All these things are showing time. To ask about time, we will ask with when. So, adverb of time. How many times? Often, never, repeatedly, sometimes. These words shows the adverbs of frequency. Choose the correct adverbs of manner to complete the sentences. one has been done for you. The squirrels ran dash from bush to bush. The squirrels ran always fast everywhere. Fast. Okay. Next, the children ate up all the ice cream. Here at night greedily. The answer will be greedily. Our teacher makes us work dash. They are hard on Sundays. It will be hard. Our teacher makes us work hard. Rest of them you will read, you will do by yourself. Okay. Next is number 3. You will not do number 2. You will do number 3. Take the correct adverb of the place of each sentence by choosing from the choices in the second column. Then complete each sentence using the correct adverb. See, this one you have to do in copy. Number 3 you have to do in copy. Okay. We carry our raincoats as it always rains. You have to choose it from here. Now heavily here. So we carry our raincoats as it always rains here. My lamb gazes in the field. So rest of them you will do by yourself and you will write it in the copy. Remember that number 3 you have to do it in the copy. Whenever I will ask you, you have to give the snaps as you send during the assignments and all these things. So do it in your grammar copy. Do it in your grammar copy. Okay. Not in the composition copy, not in other copy. Grammar copy. And do it in the copy. You will write only answers. We carry our raincoats as it rains heavily. My lamb grazes in the field. Like this. Choose the correct adverb of frequency to complete the sentences. Shayantan cooks for us quickly often. Here we have to write often. I dash go to my dad's office. I never, you can write, I never go to my dad's office. Because many of us never goes to our dad's office, isn't it? My friends dash study together. My friends at home study together. Okay. So rest of them you will do by yourself. Here also, here is a different thing. You have to underline the adverb and state which one is this. You will write manner, place, time and frequency. You will not write MPTF. Otherwise, I will cut the marks in the exam. No MPTF. You have to write manner, place, time and frequency. 6 fishermen went fishing in a lake one day. When 6 fishermen went fishing in the lake one day. So one day is, you have to write one day and then you have to write, underline it one day and you have to write adverb of time. Okay. They started very early in the morning. When did they start? In the morning? Early. Very early. So very early is manner. Adverb of manner. They often go fishing at that time. How many times they go fishing? Often. So often is adverb of frequency. So in this way you have to underline and you have to write. Do the rest we will discuss in the live class. The 4 types of adverbs are dash, dash, dash and dash. So 4 types of adverbs are, you will do it by yourself. I will not help you. Because in this chapter we have discussed all the things. So here you will just read it and then you will do it and we will discuss in the live class. Okay. Till the next class. Goodbye, have a nice time, and do it in the copy because I will see the copy in the live class. I will tell you each and everyone to show the copy, and you have to show the copy. Remember that. Okay? So, till the next class, goodbye, have a nice time.